Hello, Kevin here with Kevin's Way Works. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change out the wiper blades on a J-hook style wiper arm. So really, you shouldn't need any special tools for this unless you can't get the clip open that holds the wiper on. So in this case, all we need is a towel and new wipers. Let's get these guys on. Let's go ahead and get one of the new ones opened up and I'll show you how it works. All right, there it is. So this is an AC Delco brand, and this is made for a Chevrolet Malibu 2016. They're all going to be pretty much the same concept because they're all the same style J channel. In this particular case, this wiper has a clip you pull up like so, and then after you lock the J channel in, you just push this clip down and it snaps in place. And that's all you need to do for this particular vehicle. Like I said, some other ones, they may be the J style arm, they may have a different locking mechanism. So just keep that in mind, but in general, they're going to be very similar to what I'm going to show you. So let me get you guys set up and we'll go ahead and get this one on. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, and the most important part of this whole process, you need to protect the windshield. And to do that, get yourself a bath towel, and I'm going to just fold this one up so it's a little thicker, but you want it to be nice and thick, and I'll show you why. Take your bath towel, pick your wiper arm up, set your bath towel down. So I think you can probably understand what I'm getting to here. Once you take this wiper off, if you let this come snapping down and you don't have a towel here or something else to protect it, you will crack the windshield, and I can tell you that from experience. All right, now that we got that important safety disclaimer out of the way, let's go ahead and get this old one off. So this old one is also an AC Delco, so it comes off exactly the same way as the new one that I'm putting on. So in this case, on this one, we're just going to pull that little clip up, just like that. That's all you have to do. Now what you're going to do is just push down until it slides out, and then you're going to pull up. So let's go ahead and do it again. Go ahead and unclip it. Hold the arm in place, push down, and then just pull up. If you need to, you can rock it a little bit and you can pull it up and out. So now that one is completely disconnected. And as you can see, this is the same exact one as we're replacing it with. On these J-hook style wiper arms, most of them are going to have a little notch in the back, and I'll show you a picture of that up here in the corner so you know what I'm talking about. Some wiper blades will use a little clip that hooks into that notch, and you would just push up a little arm on the back of the blade, and then you would slide the wiper blade down and out. That's a different style I've seen. Some of them are made to be universal, and they're a little more complex, so I can't really get into details on stuff like that, but those will usually come with instructions to tell you how to do it. So we have that one off. Let's get our new one prepared. So what you're going to do is just slide that little clip up, lift your arm a little bit, set this down in the pocket, pull up until it seats into place, snap it into place, and that's all you have to do. That one is now completely done. All right, guys, here is a different angle at it, just in case you couldn't see what I was doing from that other angle. So we're just gonna simulate taking the old one off with the new one that's on here. So you're gonna pull the clip up, you're gonna hold your arm into place, you're going to slide it down, and you're just going to pull it out. And then to put the new one back in, you're just going to lift it up, slide it into place, pull it down, snap it down. All done. And then once that's done, just lift up on your arm, take your towel out. Easy as that. So let me get you over here and we'll get that other one done. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do this next one. Just like with the other one, put yourself a towel underneath it. Make sure that it is not going to be able to hit the glass if you pull it back and you let it go accidentally. Go ahead and pick up on your clip. Hold your arm into place, and then you're going to pull the wiper blade down this way. So now it's pulled down. It should be released from that J hook. Go ahead and just wiggle it a little bit, and it comes right out. So go ahead and throw away your old one. Go ahead and grab your new wiper blade. And another thing I forgot to mention previously is some wiper blades come with a protective plastic cover over the top of the blade itself. Take that off. So you either have to slide it off or pull it off, just depends on how they're made. In this case, these did not have one. Let's go ahead and take our new blade. Go ahead and flip that clip up and out of the way. Raise your arm up. Place that J-hook down in that little slot. Pull it up, snap it in place. Put your little clip down. Give it a push so it snaps into place. Take your towel out, set it down. You're good to go. All right, guys, here's a close-up view just in case the other one wasn't easy to see. All right, we have our towel in place. We have our wiper arm and our wiper blade. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up on this little lever like so. Keep it back out of the way. Hold your arm in place down here. Push back on it and just rock it and pull it out. So now your old one's out. You can put your new one in. So now let's pretend we have our new one. We're going to go ahead and open up this clip like so. You're going to lift up on your arm. Put the wiper right about there so the arm lines up with that notch. Drop it down into place. Pull back on it. Push down on the little clip. Good to go. Another thing I want to show you guys while you're here. Let's go ahead and take off this wiper. All right, guys, you can see why they call this a J-hook, because it looks like a J and it's a hook. So on the back here, this is that notch I was talking about. And on some style wiper blades, they'll slide up and in and they'll clip into that little notch. And for most of those, what you'll do is you'll push down on the little lever on the back and you'll just slide the wiper off this way and pull it out. So in our case, it didn't use that. It uses that little arm that comes down and locks it in place. But like I said, other styles are different. That's just one of the different many styles that they have that hook onto this type of J-hook wiper arm. Okay guys, that's how you do it. That's how you install wiper blades on a J-hook style wiper arm. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful. And if you guys have any concerns or questions, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Kevin's Way Works. Uh-oh.